Welcome to our YouTube channel Market Master Opinion. After crashing to multi-year lows, benchmark indices have registered a strong comeback. Nifty has jumped 50% to hit 11,300 mark for the first time since 3rd March of this year. Even though the sharp rise is seemingly ahead of the fundamentals, technically, the rally was on expected line and is likely to move towards 11,400 levels soon. The benchmark index saw a consistent rally in the previous 6 consecutive weeks, raising more than 12%. Therefore, the possibility of temporary breather at higher level cannot be ruled out. However, we believe a breather from here on should not be constructed as negative. Instead, it should be capitalized on to accumulate quality stocks. Motilal Oswal has given buy rating to IndusInd Bank with a target price of Rs 700. This share price moved up and is hovering around Rs 550. IndusInd Bank Limited, incorporated in the year 1994, is a banking company having a market cap of Rs 38,114.92 crores. The bank has reported a gross non-performing asset of Rs 5,146.74 crore and net non-performing asset of Rs 1,886.58 crore. The brokerage expects loan growth to moderate, led by weak environment due to the COVID-19 crisis, which would drive slowdown in consumer spending. Furthermore, it expects asset quality to remain under pressure due to stress in the corporate and other portfolio. The moratorium book reported sharp decline at 16% of loans from 50% as on April 20. End of the bank shored up its INR 12 billion COVID-19 provision. Nevertheless, it estimates credit cost to remain elevated at 2.5% for the financial year FY21. However, strong underlying profitability would still enable IndusInd Bank to deliver FY21 to FY22 estimated ROE of 12% to 14.4%. It has factored the announced capital raise in the estimate and maintains buy with a target price of Rs 700. We are very much optimistic about IndusInd Bank stock. We feel it will touch Rs 700 within a short period. Investor can consider for buying this stock for future gain. In this episode, we have expressed our views only. Investment decision is completely yours. If you like our video, kindly share and subscribe our channel. We will be highly grateful to have your valuable comment. Thanks a lot for watching our channel.